Hello everyone, welcome to HR Pets Entertainment. We are with the owner of RM Aquatics. Rakesh sir, how are you?
Good, I'm fine, thank you.
Sir, where is your shop located?
It's in Namboli, Andheri West.
Okay.
So it's 10 minutes from Andheri station or Jogeshwari on the west side.
Okay, and sir, what's your number?
It's 900-4767-602.
आप डिस्कस बहुत ईयर से सेल आउट कर रहे हो तो आपके पास अभी कौन कौन सा स्ट्रेन है डिस्कस का?
हाँ, so about 5 years plus हो गया है since I'm
Okay.
selling discus. मैंने भी मिस्टेक्स किए जो लाइक हॉबीज जो भी स्टार्ट करते हैं वो भी करते हैं.
Yes.
तो बहुत सारे लर्निंग हुआ है विच आई ट्राई टू स्प्रेड टू हॉबीज टू स्पीक टू मी एंड सो ऑन. तो अभी का चाहिए तो कवर करते हैं. वी कैन गो हियर
विद द फर्स्ट
टैंक
टैंक.
वाइज.
ओके.
These are white face reds, and these are import bloodlines ka bred here in India, but they are bred to imported parents. So I can try feeding them.
They are aggressive feeders.
Yes, you can see now.
Superb.
I put this light out maybe.
And कितने इंचेस का होगा?
ये about 3.75 inches के आसपास.
And they are all for sell out?
Yes, all of them.
Okay, so if someone wants to order outside Mumbai, so okay, and
Yeah, actually 50-50 in terms of amount of sales, 50% which is going outside Mumbai as well.
okay,
So I ship it out. It goes by bus or train.
okay. We'll cover the next tank.
So these are checkerboards.
Yeah.
These are direct Malaysian imports actually. These are very aggressive if you see.
They have really good pattern on them.
Yes.
कितने इंचेस का होगा ये?
ये about 3.5 and the high body ones will be about 3.75. Fin to fin this is, including the fin if I count.
Superb. Cover the next tank. What we have here?
These are map checkerboards, white base and yellow base pieces.
Okay.
These are already starting to show signs of pairing now.
Okay, like they have just shown the size, but no confirmed pairs.
No, one of them laid eggs last week.
Okay.
And then I saw like 6 of them go in different corners, like three.
Understood.
So there could be 3 pairs in here.
And what are the size?
These are about 4.5 inch.
4.5 inch each.
So these are high body, so you count it this way.
Different. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Coming to the next tank. What we have here?
These are scribble
Mm-hmm.
face spotted eruptions are there.
Okay.
And ring leopard. I'm just quarantining them now.
Okay.
Sometime.
And
They're
what's
also
the
very
size?
aggressive in feeding.
What about their size?
These are bigger, like close to 5 inch. The
Okay.
scribble ones you can see will be close to 5 inch. This will be about 4.5.
Anyone has a query about the price, so they can just
Yes, they can
contact you on your number on
Yes,
WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yeah, they can even call you, right?
You can call, and if I miss the call, it's better. Message is
Okay.
easier. Yeah.
So coming to the next tank, what we have here?
These are checkerboards here.
Okay.
This is a red cover,
Mm-hmm.
and that's a big size map. These 2 pieces are not mine actually.
Okay,
A
but
friend of mine
it's
is
for sale,
kept it.
right?
That's not for sale.
Not for sale.
Not for sale. These 2 pieces we
Okay,
just
the-
kept on emergency because
This and this one are
Yeah,
not for
the-
sale. Rest all are for the sale.
so there are checkerboard,
Yeah.
5 lines next to.
And what's the size of that?
These are about, the bigger one will be about 4.25,
Okay.
3.75 to 4.25.
Okay, and do you sell plecos?
I do. So currently
Yeah.
I have about 6-7 inch size ones.
Okay.
These are from my tanks. But if anybody needs, then I can always share.
Okay.
And I'm expecting about 2.5 inch plecos in about a week or so.
And what are you feeding them?
This is buffalo heart mix, the
Okay.
animal heart mix.
Okay, you
So
make
it's-
this
I make it myself.
and you sell it as well.
Yes, it's ready to feed.
So we'll cover the next tank over here.
These are blue diamonds. Fin to fin about 2.75 inch size, very aggressive.
Okay.
This group is very aggressive.
For a hobbyist, one who has started just keeping discuss, is this a size will you prefer for him?
Go for 2.5 inch and above. They're more or less stable. They don't give
Okay.
you much issue, yeah. So you actually start enjoying the hobby, because a lot of hobbies, what they make the mistake is, I want more pieces
Mm-hmm.
and I want it in 300, 400. What happens is then At that pricing, you'll get 2 inch or 2 inch or below, and those will have immunity issues. What happens when I buy a lot like this? I select and buy. If there's a 60 piece, I pay a little more and buy the best 40 pieces for the customers.
Okay.
So these are the ones which will not stop growing or has the best potential.
So that's all we have for today, Rakesh sir.
Yes, and I'll just share you a few videos of the earlier stock so you have an idea on.
What dry feed do you sell?
Dry feed we have from MT range, which is made in India product actually. So this Pro Color is for red color enhancing, and the others are neutral. So this main base is bloodworm, so bloodworm granules. This is insect based, so tropical worm bites.
Okay.
This is blackworm granulates. So these are all within 350-450 range.
Okay.
And this is decapsulated Artemia, it's a 40-gram pack. So if a lot of hobbies go to the next level of raising babies.
Okay.
So from a 5-day baby on to about 45-50 days, you can feed it.
And you see that you also have an award.
This is there was this competition which shop had actually organized for a slow motion video of discus.
Okay.
So yeah, discus was one of the category, and so I had submitted there. This was for a face spotted eruption actually.
Okay. And as you said that you also sell medicine for discus.
Correct.
So what all medicines you are
So
having?
that currently it's in the courier actually it's coming to me. That will be from Discus X, Thailand. So back to side.
All this is imported?
Yes, this comes from Thailand now. The shipment has just been sent to me, so I expect it by the time this video
comes out. What is this used for?
Back to side 2 is for, if you see, it has the list of things that it treats.
Swim bladder.
2 is for everything internal. And there's back to side 1 which comes, which is for the bacterial infection and everything external.
So all these things you can ship wherever the customer wants?
Yes, this can be, sir. The dry ones are easier to ship actually.
Okay.
The fish is the challenge or slightly higher in cost because it has to go a certain way.
Yes. So thank you so much, Rakesh sir.
Thank you for coming.